Have you ever wondered how to create your own miniature garden? Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of bonsai art. Originating from the Far East, this ancient practice captivates with its unique combination of horticulture and artistic vision. Bonsai art is all about crafting miniature trees that echo the majesty and grandeur of their full-sized counterparts. It's a delicate dance between man and nature, creating a living, breathing work of art that fits right on your windowsill. Now, wouldn't you like to create such a masterpiece yourself? Let's explore how. Creating a bonsai tree involves several steps, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through each one. The first step involves choosing the right tree species. This is crucial as different species have different growth characteristics and care requirements. Next, you'll need to select a suitable pot. The pot should not only complement the aesthetics of your tree, but also provide adequate space for root growth. Now comes the creative part, pruning. This process helps shape the tree and encourages new growth. The fourth step is wiring. By carefully bending and shaping the branches, you can guide the tree to grow in the desired direction. Regular watering is essential for the tree's health. But remember, overwatering can be just as damaging as underwatering. The final step is maintenance. This includes regular pruning, repotting every couple of years, and monitoring for pests or diseases. Remember, patience is key. It may take years for your bonsai tree to take shape, but the result is worth the wait. Creating your bonsai tree is just the beginning. It's important to care for it properly to ensure it thrives. Proper watering, the right amount of sunlight, and regular pruning are key. With the right care, your bonsai tree can live for many years, even centuries. Bonsai art is a beautiful blend of nature, art, and patience. The joy of seeing a tree you've nurtured bloom into a miniature masterpiece is truly unparalleled. If you enjoyed this journey into bonsai art, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.